Most people think they're using AI, but they're actually blocking it. If your AI responses feel generic or useless, it's not because the AI is bad. It's because nobody ever taught you how to think with it. In the next 5 minutes, I'll give you a simple 7-step system that turns AI into a real thinking partner. And yes, you can master it in 30 days. Why people fail with AI? There are 3 big reasons people fail with AI. They jump straight into prompting without thinking. They treat AI like a vending machine. Type, output. That never works. They forget that AI mirrors your clarity. If your input is vague, your output will be vague. They don't build a workflow. AI mastery is not about one good prompt. It's about a repeatable system, and that's what we're about to build. The first piece of the system is AIM, a mental model to structure your thinking before you prompt. AIM equals audience arrow, intent arrow mode. Audience, who is the content for? Intent, what is the goal? Mode, what format do you want the answer in? Here's an example. Explain the MAAP framework to beginners in a friendly teaching tone, in bullet points. See? Clear audience, clear intent, clear mode, better inputs, better outputs. Next, we use MAAP to define the context of the task. MAAP equals model, assets, actions, preferences. Model, what role should AI take? Teacher, strategist, recruiter, engineer. Assets, what information do you already have? Notes, screenshots, text, examples. Actions, what do you want AI to do with that information? Rewrite, analyze, compare, summarize, generate. Preferences, your personal style, tone, length, vocabulary, format. MAAP turns AI into a personalized assistant, not a generic answer machine. Here is the full system you can follow starting today. 1. Define your aim before any prompt. Write down audience, intent, mode. 2. Load your MAAP. Tell AI who it should be, what assets you have, what actions you want in your style. 3. Use chain of thought. Ask AI to reason step by step. Example, think through this step by step before giving me the final answer. 4. Use the Verifier Pattern. After AI answers, ask, now verify your answer. What would you improve? 5. Use the Refinement Pattern. Tell AI, refine this based on clarity, tone, and precision. 6. Build a template library. Save your best prompts and reuse them. AI mastery is 20% prompting, 80% system. 7. Repeat daily for 30 days. Spend 10 minutes per day using AIM plus MAAP in real tasks. Emails, summaries, research, scripts, planning, anything. If you follow these steps, you won't just use AI. You'll think with it. When you start applying this system, something amazing happens. Your writing becomes clearer. Your ideas become sharper. You communicate faster, and your AI outputs finally sound like you. Natural, personal, and high quality. This is where people shift from AI gives me generic answers to AI gives me better ideas than I could create alone. So if you've ever felt frustrated with AI or overwhelmed by all the noise out there, start with AEM, add MAAP, and follow the 7-step system for 30 days. You'll be shocked at how quickly you level up. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Which part of the system will you try first? If this helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more.